We recently introduced a brand new app called RapidStart Sales for Dynamics 365. If you are an organization using Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales, you should be very interested in this new app. Whether you are or not depends on how well I can explain what it is and how it fits into your Dynamics 365 sales environments. This is not necessarily easy given the complexities of the ecosystem. So I will provide you with some motivation. For many of your users, you could save close to 90% on their Dynamics 365 licensing costs in a fully compliant way. If this interests you, then allow me to explain. The most common way users access Dynamics 365 sales today is via Dynamics 365 Sales Enterprise or Premium licenses, at a retail cost starting at $95 per user per month. Other customers may be using the feature-limited Dynamics 365 Sales Professional licenses at a retail cost of $65 per user per month to lower costs. If you are not aware, you are not allowed to mix professional with enterprise and higher licenses in the same environment. Many of you may be out of compliance right here. Microsoft also offers team member licenses for super-light users, but most have found these to be so restricted that they are almost useless. Still, some other customers have discovered model-driven Power Apps for creating lower-cost access to sales data using tables that are not restricted. However, just about every one of those apps is also out of compliance, as the rules around first-party IP protection are complex and not easy to find. There may be other valid reasons you use Power Apps instead of Dynamics 365 apps, like more focused apps, etc. But you will almost certainly still require the full Dynamics 365 licenses to use them. Why? Because compliance is a labyrinth of rules and limitations scattered across many parts of Microsoft's documentation. A single comprehensive and clear document does not exist. We know this as we have traversed this entire path with our MVP level access far higher than you could. We identified an unmet need for an additional option in most Dynamics 365 sales customer environments. Our primary goal was to create an easier-to-use basic sales app modeled on our highly successful RapidStart CRM apps. However, since we utilized Power Apps, we decided to invest the additional effort to navigate the licensing complexities to ensure this app could be used with Power Apps licenses in a fully compliant way. The result is RapidStart Sales for Dynamics 365, an alternative sales app that you can add to your environments for a total cost starting at just $10 per user per month, and even less for nonprofits and those on enterprise agreements. Now, before you run off and cancel any of your current licenses, you should understand that RapidStart Sales for Dynamics 365 is an alternative to, not a replacement for, Dynamics 365 sales. It is designed for a specific type of user. Those users in your organization who do not require all of the features of the Dynamics 365 sales apps to perform their jobs. Yes, it provides access to accounts, contacts, opportunities, and leads in a much more straightforward way, but without the advanced capabilities of the Dynamics 365 sales apps, like sales intelligence, pipeline forecasting, sequences, etc. Users of these advanced features will still require the Dynamics 365 apps and licenses. If this sounds intriguing, we invite you to explore RapidStart Sales for Dynamics 365 through a 30-day free trial on Microsoft's AppSource. Go to appsource.com and search for RapidStart. For those ready to explore further, a single license can be acquired directly through Microsoft on AppSource for $5, allowing you to evaluate its fit within your own environment so you can judge for yourself if it will meet any of your users' needs. From the RapidStart team at ForceWorks Global, thanks for listening.